Hello and welcome to my latest review on the channel. In today's video I'll make a review about the first kit I bought from the new 2024-2025 season, and this is the beautiful orange Real Madrid kit, the away kit, and it looks amazing. It's a player version Real Madrid jersey. It's an amazing orange color, as you can see, so it's a little bit neonish. It's really bright, it's a really powerful orange. So this is the whole jersey. At the end of the video I'll also measure it so you can see the exact sizes. This is a player version 2XL jersey, and let's start with the bottom of the jersey. Here you can see this little goldish authentic license product little badge on the bottom of the jersey. It's really beautiful, really smooth plastic material, and on the other side heat ready technology letters. And as you can see, the bottom is a bit curved and it's made from different parts, so this triangle and this triangle, and also here on the side it's another different material with these little holes on it, which is better for your body to play in it. And if we go further to the chest of the jersey, here it is this Fly Emirates logo, which is heat pressed material, and then the Adidas logo, which is also from a little bit harder, more robust plastic material. As you can see, I'm telling to you that this is way bigger than it used to be. I don't know why, but it looks amazing, so it's really big. And also the Real Madrid logo, this is the usual size, but it's only black on this jersey, or maybe a dark gray, I'd say. The side of the color, which is this elastic material with these little holes on it, as you can see. And also it's not a V-neck, so it's a rounded neck. And also these three stripes on the shoulder of the jersey, and also on the left sleeve the HP sponsor logo from the same material as the Fly Emirates logo. For the first time ever, of course, number 15 UEFA Champions League badge with the UEFA Foundation for Children. Both of them are really smooth, really soft materials, and of course number 15, it looks amazing. This website is really cool because you can customize any name and number your jerseys with the original font. Here you can see Fede number 8. So yeah, the letters also really good. They are heat pressed really well, and of course on the bottom of the number this small Real Madrid orange logo. So everything like on the original jersey, amazing quality, everything. As you can see, the whole jersey, it's perfectly on the middle. And here again, this is this material with little holes, and then here's this triangle, so lots of different materials. And let me not forget, I don't know what this is, maybe for players to wear that tracking thing on their neck. So it's somehow between these two layers of material. It just looks amazing and proves that every little detail is made with high precision, and this jersey overall, it's amazing. 2XL player version jersey. The width is approximately 54 centimeters and the height of the jersey 76 centimeters. Here it's 94 centimeters. So these are the sizes for a 2XL player version Real Madrid orange kit. And also let me not forget about the deals. If you use some coupon codes, if you join the Facebook group, anything else, you can get some really good deals and buy these jerseys even more cheaper than they are listed on the website. So if you like this video review, if you have any questions or any requests for jersey I should review, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, goodbye, see you in the next one.